In this video, I'll show you how to delete a domain from Shopify. To do this, just go and open up Shopify and go to Settings in the bottom left. From there, go into your domains, and here you will see all of your domains. Now just go and click on the domain you want to delete, so I'll do this one right here. And then if there's a delete button in the bottom here, click on delete. If it's not there, click change domain type, and just set it to redirecting domain, and then click change domain type. And now you will see that a delete domain button pops up. So are you sure you want to remove your domain? Click remove. And now I've successfully removed this domain. Now you can also do this with any other domain you want. So just click remove. And now I have deleted this domain from my Shopify store. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.